Hi, it's Monica Williams again, one of the co-founders of RedDrop. So great to see you again. Today we wanted to do a really quick hygiene moment. I was really shocked with my own daughter when I asked her to clean herself, and it seemed so obvious to me, and the results were less than good. So it became obvious that I had to really explain how to clean yourself, which seems silly, but it's true. And so I wasn't comfortable with showing her on my own body, and no problem with that. Kudos to those moms who can. That just wasn't my path. So we have a model, and so I thought I would share. For mom, this may be a refresh. For daughters, maybe this is an intro, but it is quick and it's clinical and it's correct. So we'll just start with a quick orientation. I probably will get a little closer. This is our tummy. This is our bottom. This is our anus. And the way you clean your anus is soap and water, and you can use your hand or a washcloth, and you're going to wash along the outside. And you may have to move your bottom a little bit to get all the way there, but this is where your poop comes out, and so it's very important to get that clean. Be very careful not to go inside. You have really important bacteria and flora in there that you don't want to disrupt with your soap. On the front, you have your outside flaps. There'll be one on each side. It's called your labia majora. That's the same. They'll be the same color as your legs. Then you'll have your labia minora, which will probably be a little pinker, and that's the entrance to your vagina. Similarly, when you're washing this area, you want to wash along the outside and be very careful not to get inside, because as you notice, there's some important structures here. So in the entrance to your vagina is both the urethra, which is where your urine leaves. This is your bladder. This is your vagina. This is your uterus. And again, this is your rectum and your anus back here. So you're going to wash along the outside here, being very careful not to wash the inside, because you'll disrupt that natural flora and you may cause a yeast infection or some other irritation. Your cervix was specially made for this. It cleans your whole vagina. It releases a discharge that you may see in your panties. It'll be clear or maybe white. It should be odorless. And that's how your body's cleaning itself from the inside out. It's magical. So that's it. Thanks for sticking with us. See you again soon.